The Nerf Mega XL Double Crusher was released in 2021 as a Walmart exclusive. The Double Crusher is a two-shot pump-action blaster with two intelligent air restriction barrels, similar to the N-Strike Mega Double Breach and Rough Cut 2x4. The pump-action charging handle is only held together by 4 screws and can be removed entirely. The dart storage stock on this blaster feels as though it can be removed without removing any additional screws. However, it is sandwiched in there pretty good. You can see right here, it's got a little clip that holds it in. The Double Crusher could be reassembled without its stock and still be fully functional. The internals of the Double Crusher are very simple, relying almost entirely on a rack and pinion system. The pump action component has a locking mechanism that prevents it from being returned without being fully retracted. Be sure to return the spring to its cradle in front of the pins. Here I'm attempting to dry fire the blaster without half of the shell keeping everything in place. It's rather difficult, but I do manage it. You can see the mechanism prevents you double priming your blaster, lock everything in place in the forward position. When I press the little switch down there, it will release it, and you'll see the soft close function to prevent dry fire from damaging your blaster. This time around, I'm using the pump part to show how everything works together, including the trigger. Had a little more force this time. I wasn't holding everything down. Remember to return the spring. And that's it. It's a very simple blaster. Now, the darts here weigh approximately 6.25 grams each, with a diameter of 1.202 inches, roughly 30.5 millimeters. Now, I don't really trust my chronograph anymore, but until I get something better, I'm still going to use it. The difference between 87 and 150, pretty big. Thanks for watching. I release a video every Friday at 7 a.m. Pacific. Subscribe so you don't miss them. Maybe check out some of the other videos I've done.